If chrome nails have always looked too complicated, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm showing you the easiest beginner-friendly chrome nail technique step by step. First, apply your base coat and cure it under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy nail tutorials. Apply a top coat to seal everything in. Cure again for 60 seconds. Now, using the soft side of a buffer block, gently buff the surface. Next, mix a little top coat with black gel polish and create any design you like on the nail. Can we all agree that chrome nails look way more expensive than they actually are? Cure it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now it's time for the chrome. Rub the chrome over the design. Use a soft brush to remove any excess chrome powder. And just like that, this nail is ready. Now, we're going to repeat the exact same process on the rest of the nails to complete the full set. If you're a beginner, don't stress about perfection. Your technique improves with every set you do. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Now I'm repeating the same process on the rest of the nails to complete the set. And if yours doesn't look perfect on the first try, don't worry. Every nail artist started exactly where you are. Apply a top coat to seal everything in. This is the part where everything starts coming together. And honestly, it's my favorite part. Wait until you see the full set at the end, it's totally worth it. And that's it. Chrome nails are actually much easier than they look. If you're learning nails at home and want more beginner-friendly tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next one.